So this is like the second stage. Like now you know how to create a customer, how to schedule an appointment, how to notify the appointment via the customer, and then how to manage. Even in your story, you have many features like example. Now this one is a centralized composing option. So if you have any brochures or a typical any introduction emails, cover letters, all that, you can design it and store them as templates.
Mhm.
Maybe I'll show you from some other live accounts. So in your cPanel, under feeds, under email templates, you can create any number of email templates and attach any files and stuff like that. So if I see this, you can be creative and design all this with a link to download and stuff like that, and then trigger according to that. So instead of retyping every time, it'll be just one click to trigger. And you can schedule those as well. Like if you choose a template, schedule that for a future date. After you send a initial code, let's say you want to schedule an auto follow-up, you can create the template, schedule a follow-up in the next 2 days, and then that'll follow it up for you.